The 72-story Trump World Tower boasts stunning views of the United Nations building and the East River. When its condos first went on the market, billionaires lined up to claim their units. Some of these purchasers were then discouraged by the September 11th attacks, which is how Uzan versus 845 UN Limited Partnership ended up in court. 845 UN Limited Partnership, under managing partner Donald Trump, started selling apartments in the yet-to-be-constructed Trump World Tower in October of 1998. Two Turkish billionaires, brothers Cem and Hakan Uzan, decided to buy several of the luxury units. They hired experienced local counsel and spent 2 months negotiating their purchases. The partnership agreed to reduce the aggregate purchase price of the 4 units the Uzans wanted and granted them extensions of time for the down payment. The Uzans agreed to a 25% down payment made in 3 installments over 18 months. The condominium offering plan stated that the partnership would have the right to retain the entire down payment if a buyer should default. The Uzans made their down payments on schedule. This $8 million was placed in escrow. The closing was scheduled for October 19, 2001. On September 11th, terrorists flew 2 airplanes into the World Trade Center. The Uzans changed their minds about purchasing in a high-rise next to the United Nations. The Uzans didn't come to the October closing. Instead, they sent a letter claiming that they were rescinding their purchase agreements out of concern that their penthouse units near the UN and bearing the Trump name would be an attractive target for terrorists. The partnership terminated the purchase agreements due to the Uzans' default. It kept the $8 million. The Uzans sued to get back their down payment on the grounds that the partnership's keeping it was an unenforceable penalty. The trial court held that the Uzans had forfeited 10% of the purchase price, but that the rest of the down payment was subject to a liquidated damages analysis to see whether it bore a reasonable relation to the partnership's actual loss. The partnership appealed.